All right, guys, good morning. It is Thursday the or something.
Yeah.
Anyway, we ventured out to a different lake today, Lake Welsh. We've been here before, but they had a massive fish kill. But they're about to shut this lake down. It's a power plant lake. The lake stays about 70 degrees all year round, and evidently they're biting. There was 26 boats in the parking lot. There's usually not more than 5. So follow along. Follow along. Hope we can get a few. It'll be different today. It'll be grass, still some lipless, but not as much. Probably some wacky.
Yeah.
Anyway.
A little bit of everything.
Tight lines, peace out. As always, if we catch one, you're the first ones to see it. God bless. Okay, guys, evidently after I did the intro, I hit something. I've not been recording, but I do have 2 fish in the boat. Nothing to brag about, and you'll see them from Mom's angle. You don't throw this lipless? Been there and let it sink. Guarantee you that. Guarantee you don't want to let it sink. And it might have to be a noise thing to get them out of the grass.
Yeah.
Oh, we'll figure it out.
Yeah.
At least we know they're biting. We don't have to load up and go somewhere else.
Yeah.
Unless we just don't catch another fish for 2 hours. I thought it was grass.
That one?
Yeah. Nah. They're all the same. He wanted it though.
Yeah, it's coming out of that grass from that
Yeah.
noise. Good job, boy.
Cookie cutters, guys. This lake has good fish. You just gotta weed through the micros.
Ooh, did you feel that? It's a good one.
Okay.
No, I think it's in the grass.
Do you have a fish or not?
Yeah, I got a fish.
On what? Oh. Huh?
He's just a fighter. Did you see him? Look at him, guys.
You got him in the head.
How in the world? He bit and let go.
You got him.
Look at that, guys. He bit and I quit reaction.
All right, ready? Okay, double.
Boy.
Double. Here.
God, hey, you ain't lying.
Yeah.
There. I thought it was a good one.
I thought you had your, I don't know why I thought you threw your swimmer. Okay, so it don't matter noise or...
You little tight, you little...
You had him hooked in the head, so he had full...
Yes, that's exactly what I felt like that, ain't it?
Yeah.
Boy, you hit it like a big one.
Oh yeah, they hit it.
Fishing another lake.
Yeah. Well, them spots hit like that.
Ooh, that got my adrenaline up because I guess that much it felt so good to be...
Yeah, he had full movement.
He's fighting against it.
Yeah.
I'll have to remember that, how it looked.
Yeah.
It looked down, man, to be fighting.
Yeah, guys, if you get a chance, this would be a great place to bring kids. Get them some fish. I mean, you can sit and catch these little half-pound to pounders all day if you find them. Find the points, find the grass. And like I said, we're just using liplesses right now. But every time we use lipless, we catch 20 fish a day here. And it's been a year since we've been here. Come back and it's the same pattern. 30 fish on Christmas Eve.
Yeah.
So I said I'd wrote it off. The fish kill, and we were doing so good on Cypress. We were doing so good on Cypress, I was like, hey, why not just change it up? That's the grass.
Yeah.
That's not. A little better.
Good one. That's a better one, boy.
On the line, on the
You
line.
did good.
Yeah.
You knew. That's not.
Yeah. Hey.
That's a better one, boy.
A little better. Oh, he knocked the out of it.
He did.
Because I was watching you, I was like, yeah, that's grass, and he went, don't, that's not. All right, a little bit. Am I recording?
Are you recording?
Yeah. All right. Good job, little buddy. Yeah, there's one fell victim to the 6-inch treble head with the 3-3 Divine swim bait. You don't like doing a swim jig, so I'd take that off.
I don't mind swim jig. You can pull it through there easily. I mean, I don't mind all 3 of those, but I don't think I need, if I want to just, I like to. Well, we don't need 3 swimmers on. You got that one, or I need to?
He wanted it though.
Yeah, he's coming out of that grass from that noise. Good job, boy. Yeah, good healthy fish. So, there he is, wait. Ooh, did you feel that? It's a good one. No, I think he was in the grass.
Fish or not?
Yeah, I got a fish. What's he doing?
On what?
On my P4. He's just a fighter. Did you see him? Look at him, guys.
You got him in the head.
How in the world? He bit and let go, didn't he? Look at that, guys. He bit, and my quick reaction. I've been practicing.
Ready?
Yeah.
Oh, I gotta see the fish. Turning, spinning. Hey, double.
Boy, yeah, we did.
Double.
Yeah, they're all over in this point here. God, you ain't lying. They are. I thought it was a good one.
I thought you had your. I don't know why I thought you threw your swimmer.
No, went back to this out here.
So it don't matter.
Obviously.
No.
Thanks, Bubba. You little tot. You little.
You had him hooked in the head, so he had full.
Yes, that's exactly why it felt like that, ain't it?
I mean, we move, but that one guy just pulled up in here. Put his. No, he got up on the bank looking for bedfish. Didn't see one. Up, go. Gotta go. You want to doink a good one? I said, do you want to doink a good one? Catch a good one.
Yeah.
Sorry guys, my wife's in space today. There he is. He's not big. He felt good though. Yeah. He hit it hard. In a spot. Thank you, buddy.
He's a spot?
No.
Oh.
He was warm.
He's warm boy.
I did too. I had to set the hook because he's not slacking it. Still the same plastic though. I hadn't had to change plastics. Yeah. I was kind of starting, stopping. Yeah.
Grass. Using your little swimmer. He does pull through pretty good. The swimmer does. Landed in deep grass there. Kind of fun. There he is. It's kind of fun. Yeah.
He's in the mouth.
Yeah, he's in the mouth. You didn't mount. I can get my own picture. Okay, as long as you're in. Buddy, buddy. Look at these little farts. He's waiting.
Ready?
Yeah. These are dinkies. Bubba, what doing? Hang on, fella. I go. Okay, get after it.
We didn't come here.
Huh?
We didn't come in here on the hot for a 10 pound.
Yeah, we know there's numbers here. It's a bonus if we catch. We've been catching big fish at Cypress.
Couple of these line through swimmers. That's what's fun about this lake. Just about anything you throw, if you can find fish, you'll catch them. I don't think, well, no, I don't think we've ever caught anything on a spinnerbait here.
Yeah.
The water's too clear or something. And no, I know a lot of guys that come out here and wacky and drag worms all day, guys, but I can't do that. So I couldn't tell you the outcome of that. I know some of the guys come out here and clean them up on wacky rigs, and there he is. Oh! Anyway, I was talking, wasn't paying attention. The direction of the wind won't let me. I'll have to go up here and get out a little farther and then drift down. There he is. Yeah, you big. About broke my arm when he hit it. It's right here off that farthest out. Dang, dude. Pliers. And he don't weigh a quarter of a pound. Good job, buddy. He'll be a big one one day. He'll be a big one one day. Yes, right there in that little pocket.
Yeah. The grass. There he is, Blake. Yeah. He hit it out here. Yeah, I think so. Better than... Nope.
On the swimmer.
Yeah. Oh, he come out here. But didn't have him very good, did I? How did you do that, boy? You got boogers. Well, he hit it like a big one. Why is it like you think it's so good? Hang on, Bubba.
Probably the best one of the day. That's a video.
I mean, he hit it so good. Thanks, Bubba.
Yeah, but see, say I had to pay for a guide. Yeah. I'd rather come out here and do this all day than try to catch two big ones.
Yeah.
I mean, I'm not gonna pay you $1,000 to maybe catch a fish. There he is. Better. Or he's, no, yep, no, yep, no.
Better?
A little better. Way he hit it. I'm just slowly dragging it along out here.
Yeah, I was slow rolling.
Ooh, I barely hit him.
Did you?
Yeah, it's already out.
That one barely too.
Good job, buddy. Thank you. Although he's fighting, it felt good. Dang!
Was the way my toe?
Yeah.
I was crossing again. That might have got straight.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, look at that thing. Oh my.
Dude, that's grass.
No.
Yes.
It don't matter. We're still catching.
I know, but it's grass. You're about to come right through. No, you're about to come right through the heavy stuff. Okay. All right, yeah, see, we're sitting in the 10-11 and catch them off the edge. Yeah. Lake Welsh, guys. I mean, if you have kids, if you want to get a kid excited about bass fishing, bring him here. I mean, just all you got to do is throw something, they fight. Yep. And if you find them, yeah. And if you find them, that's a good one.
That's the biggest one so far,
Yeah.
buddy. Heck yeah.
Anyway,
One
like
so
I was
we
saying,
know
guys,
the biggest one we found.
like I was saying, if you have a kid and you want them to get excited about bass fishing, come to this lake before they shut it down. I mean,
Look at the belly on that fish.
you're gonna use the sorry scales.
Does it not work?
Yeah.
No.
He's fat though.
Battery probably.
Look at the fatness on him.
These
He's a
are
football.
fun.
Look, he's a football.
Yeah, he is.
All right, buddy.
He's a
Thank you.
fat bully.
And he did hit it. All right, guys. I've already lost count. But like I was saying,
So much fun.
I know I've already said this one. I'm gonna say it one more time.
We're not here for people.
Before this lake closes, no, you ain't gonna catch a giant.
You might.
I mean,
They're here.
I've caught multiple 3-pounders in a day out here.
We've caught 5-pounders here.
But if you want to get a kid excited about fishing, it's solid grass right here. Or if you're struggling, come over here. If you can find the fish, you're gonna, you find them, you just catch them.
Yeah.
I mean, I'm throwing the line through swim bait. Mom's throwing a pressure series crankbait. I caught them on a regular lipless. If I had the patience to throw a wacky worm, I could probably sit here and go through 3 packs of worms.
It's true. It's true, boy. I love when I find something they like.
Are you kidding?
No. This one's better.
Oh. I'm still down. Sliding.
Sliding?
Sliding.
He's a little better. That's probably the biggest.
Yeah.
They're getting bigger, guys. They're getting bigger. That's 4 right there. And I'm glad you got the net, boy.
Come out.
Yeah. This swim bait. All right, here, bub. Thanks, bud. That's all that bait. Every time we see the bait fish, guys. Especially, I didn't know if it had pertained here, but because the water's warmer. That's true, but it is thick right here. I'm thinking they're used to not seeing this, is why they're hitting it so much. Oh, if that's the case anyway. It gives me good luck for later when we're finding bigger fish. I know, it's crazy. Yeah, they're fighting over it, I guess.
So we're done this one. We've not fished February.
We might not get to the way the weather's. There he is, Lake. Yeah, they're right out here, aren't they? I got it. How did I do that?
Get him in the boat.
So he counts. You get him in the boat, Mom. I'm a heck at. You got him right in the fin. Hang on, fella. I'm trying. I know it hurts. I ain't gonna get it out your fin. I'm trying. Hang on, Bubba. Hang on, little one. There we go. Here we go, Bubba. It's 5 for me right here.
Yeah, boy. All right, guys. Made a little move. Oh, it's only 7 foot deep too. It's only 7 foot deep too. That might be a good place to throw your whale up in there. Right here off the end of the point. Hey, 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 hey. little dude. Thank you, sir, for giving my baby back. There's one for me. Yeah. Yeah, that's the top of it. Yeah, he's little. Oh, it'll be bigger. There he is. Yeah. No. That one got him in the eyeballs. Yeah. A little better one. Oh. Hey, 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 hey. Hey! Hey, hey. Oh, there's a hump right there. Yep. I better be recording. All right. Good job, guys. There you go.
Is that better one?
He's not bad.
No, he's not bad at all. One of the bigger ones, it looks like.
Thank you, buddy. It used to be, hey, smile, look. Now it's just.
Well, yeah, we got so many that size. I mean, we don't
Yeah.
need.
Well, we're just doing it to keep count of the numbers till we get us a clicker. Thanks, guys. Thanks, buddy. And I blew back on it. It's right there off that point. There he is. Nah. Well, he's not bad. He's a good one today.
Yeah, a good one today. This title will be if you want numbers. Can you turn it sideways?
First post-poop fish. Thank you.
Yes. Double. Let's do the double right here. Of course, I don't see anything up here. Something about the body rolls. But he was just fishing with that exact same thing. There he is, wait. This one's oh heck. Uh-oh, yeah, it's no, he's just being a butt. He's just being a butt. That's the biggest one so far. Woo-hoo! Good job, mama.
That's the best
Good
one
job,
so far.
mama. Yeah, look at his belly, guys.
All right, guys. Mom's We've been catching a lot. Mom's using the Pressure Series Matte Natural. I'm using a line through swim bait. I caught some on a bone lipless, but anything you throw, you're catching them. That's the best one of the day so far. It's
Welsh.
Giant, but Lake Welsh.
Thanks, Bubba. Oh, I thought that one was big.
Oh, it's on that 6'9". Okay. I'm like, dang. Not unless they're spawning. There he is. Oh, it's a monster.
Fish, we can hit 50. Let's do it.
Dang, he choked it. Thank you, buddy. Right at the wood. Oh, you got him?
He bit at it. Did he jump out of the
Yeah.
water? He bit it and let go of it. I guess he thought he had it.
There he is.
Ooh.
Oh!
Ooh. Ooh, yes, baby. One more cat.
Matt.
Get him in there, buddy. Oh, shit. Yeah, it scared me when the bait. Oh, my gosh. Oh, my God. They started eating in the afternoon.
I got him, guys.
Oh, I'm so jealous.
51.
Oh, my God.
Oh!
You gotta wait for him.
Yeah. No. Good job, guys. That's number 51. Number 51. No. We hit 50. Ah. All right, guys. What a day. Make sure I didn't hit the button. Okay. What a day. 51 fishes right now. Mom might catch another one.
Injuries.
Mom fell in the boat. I jumped out to go poo and fell and busted my back. I hurt. They've all been under a pound, around a pound to a pound and a quarter today. Number 51 though, 2.8. What a way to end the day. Beautiful day here in East Texas. There's the sun going down. I hurt, she hurts. We had an awesome day. We didn't come here for big fish. We knew, hey, you might catch a couple 3-pounders. We come here for numbers. We set a goal at 50 and we broke it. God bless y'all. Tight lines. Don't know if you'll see every single fish in the video, but we'll try to get most of them. God bless y'all. Tight lines. Peace. Hit that thumbs up, like, subscribe, share a comment. Let us know if you like or dislike. Don't just say, wow, a fish, because it's a fishing channel. What do you think we're going to have? We're going to have fish. God bless.